Finding a home that's stylish, functional, and actually move-in ready isn't always easy, but guess what? 800 Quartz LN has everything you've been searching for: modern updates, smart design, and plenty of charm. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the beautiful new flooring that ties the whole home together. And the updated light fixtures, they add such a modern, sophisticated touch, making every space feel inviting and bright. The layout here is designed for easy living. The open floor plan lets you stay connected, whether you're cooking, hosting, or just kicking back after a long day. And check out this space, a dedicated workspace, whether you're working remotely, tackling homework, or organizing your life. This space gives you the flexibility that you need. The secondary bedrooms are filled with personality. Right now they're beautifully decorated, but they can easily be transformed into guest rooms, creative spaces, or whatever fits your lifestyle. Now let's step outside. This spacious backyard has room to play, relax, and entertain. And check this out. A large shed that's perfect for extra storage, a workshop, or even a creative project space. If you've been looking for a home that blends style, function, and comfort, this one is a must-see. Let's get you into this beautiful home. Call or message me. I'm Miranda, the Texas Queen of Real Estate.